Hi viewers, welcome back. Now in this session, I am going to share with you the use of index and match for complex lookup. Usually when we need lookup, so we use VLOOK-UP, but VLOOK-UP doesn't work in many places. And there, when VLOOK-UP doesn't work, so you need index and match for complex lookup, which is much better and enhanced than VLOOK-UP. For example, you have some data and here the question is when I select a specific name from the database here, which I have already brought in the drop down. So I should get region and then I should get the sales or profit of against that person. You can use this in your dashboard and this database will be in another sheet, but I'm just using it in the same sheet. So now, for example, if I select the question is select a name and extract region, then sales or profit. So for that you cannot use VLOOKUP because if you use VLOOKUP, so you will have to say VLOOKUP small bracket, this is my lookup option and then the table array is this whole one. But VLOOKUP, the name column is here and the region is here. So it cannot look up those values which are on the right side of this lookup column. So you cannot use VLOOKUP here. So here you need index. And for index, the simple function is index. Then here it asks you for array. Now for index, what am I looking for? I am looking for region. So the array is this region. I will just select region. I am looking for region. So for in the index, I will just select the region column. I will not range the whole database. I will select the region column. If you have already given it a name manager, so you can use that name manager. Now, after this, after comma, it asks me for row num, that in which number of the row I should search for it. Now, if you have selected this person, and you say that this person is basically here in the third row, so you cannot just type 3 because every time you will have to select another one. Then you cannot, and if you are selecting another one and you are changing this number, so here I need another formula, and that is the match function, which gives me the row number for this name. So what I will do here, I will, if I close this, for example, if I just type 1 here and close it, so it gives me Pakistan. Why? Pakistan is at the number 1 row. So it doesn't work like that. Here I need a row number. It is asking me for a row num. So I need a row num for this name to search the region against the name that I have selected here. So for that I can use match function. Now I am combining another formula with index and here I will use match small bracket. What is the lookup value for match? This one. What is the lookup array? Now where is the name available in this database, in this column? So I will range this column. Now the range of this column and this column must be the same. Same rows should be selected. Now I have selected the match function, the lookup value, then the lookup array. Now the match type. Match type is usually we use 0. 0 means exact match. So you use 0. And then you close the small bracket. Now here you see for index the array is the region, and then for the row num I use the formula to match this name in this name column and give me a row number. So it would gives you a row, close another bracket and then enter. So here you see now USA. USA, this person, this one. This is that person that I have selected there, and the region of this person is USA. So you see here it has selected USA. So you can use this index and match function to see for values against your selection in any of the column wherever you want, adding just the match function. Now for example, if I just use the match function here and do not use index, so it would give me a number. What is this? It gives me 3. 3 means that this name is available at row number 3. Here you see 1, 2, 3. This name is available here at row number 3. So I needed this number for the row num formula. That's why I used it with the index formula, that first you range that specific column where you want to search that specific criteria. Then for the row num formula, I use the match function to return a row according to the name that I have selected here. So that row num is here, and now it asks for column num also, but we do not need here a column num. And you can see here in this formula, this column num is closed in the square bracket, which means that this is optional if you want to use it. So we do not need it here, but we will need it in another place. So it gives me the region. Now I need sales. For example, I need sales against that specific person that I have selected here. So for the sales, simple, again I will use index array. Which column? Where is the sale available? The sales column is this one. So I will select the sales column. Then comma. Now it asks me for the row num again, which row number you want against this name. So I will use the match function, small bracket, lookup value is this, comma, lookup array. Now where is this name available? This name is available in this column. So I range that. Now I will use comma and again the exact match 0. Small bracket close, small bracket close, enter. Now what it gives me? It gives me this name, this. This name, his region, and then the sales. You can see here 168717, 168717. So it's giving me. Now, if you want to add here the profit also, so either you can add here another row for the profit and do this and apply the same formula, but just change for the index this column to this column. But if you want that I need here a drop down, that when I select sales, so it should give me the sales against this person, and when I select profit, so it should give me the profit. So for that, here we need a drop down first. So go to data validation, and list, and here I need a drop down of these two values. So click here and select these, both these columns. Okay, now here you have a drop down, sales, profits. You select sales, you select profit. Now when you select sales, so it gives you the sale number against this person. But if you select the profit, so it should give you the number against the profit. So for that, now the first thing you need to do is here in the index, what we did, we selected only the sales column. Now I will update my range first, and I will add this profit column also. It was from D9 to D18, so now it is from D9 to E18. So I have updated my range for both the column. Now in the match function, this first one is for the name. Now I need another match function. This match function is for the name. Now I need another match function for this cell also, because here also I will be selecting either profit or sales. So here after the comma, I will use another match function, small bracket. Now for this match function, what is the lookup value? The lookup value is this one. Now I am looking for this. And what after comma, it asks me for lookup array. What is the lookup array? Now in this one, I need these columns, these two columns. So I will just select these two columns. Remember that the match function, whenever you are selecting a lookup array, so you can select only one column or only one row. So in the first one, I selected only this one column. Now in this one, I am selecting a row. The match function doesn't work like if you want to match something and you select the whole table. You will either select a specific column or a specific row. So now here I selected the sales profit, and I am asking Microsoft Excel to give me the match against this one. And now after comma, I will use 0 for the exact match, and then small bracket close, and then end. Now here you see this person who belongs to this region. So that information has been given. Now this is the sales and these are the profits. Now if I select sales, so it gives me the number 168717. But if I select profit, so it gives me the number 33743, this one. So you can use this index and match function in different ways. This was a very simple example. This was just to introduce this my viewers, that you can use this index function and this match function for different things. For example, in this one, we needed a match against the name also and against this profit and loss, this sale also. So here, if I now change a name to this one, now you see this is this person. So it shows Bangladesh. Yes, he is from Bangladesh. And here you see 23125. So yes, the profit is 23125. And now if I select the sales, so you see 115627, and here also you see 115627. So this was just the introduction of this index and match function to be used in your dashboards and different analysis. And I am now making another detailed tutorial on this one to give you some more examples and some more details about this. Watch the video, comment, write your question in the comment if you have any confusion about this, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it with your family and friends. If you visit my channel, I have organized all these sessions very carefully. You will see these playlists. If you want to learn Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, MS Word and Mail Merge, then other tricks of the Microsoft Excel and other softwares, other learning tips, how to prepare yourself for interviews, these other playlist of learning online data collection, KOBO, MS Form, Google Form for collecting online data, data analytics, project management series is there is a playlist for MS Excel beginners also, Windows, and all these playlists, single playlists are also available. So you can benefit from all these sessions which are free of cost, and you just open it and watch them and learn and improve your productivity. There are these beautifully designed PowerPoint presentations, how to make these PowerPoint presentation, and every video has a detailed step-by-step tutorial. So visit my channel, subscribe, like and share and comment. Comment is very important for me, because if you comment a video, so I can improve these videos more. Whatever question you have, so you can ask, and this will be good for the channel also, and learn and improve your productivity. Thank you.